Okay, it is now day 8. Let's see what we got. Oh, day 8. Oh, another square. Oh, this one is a bit squishy. It's wrapped in some sort of cardboard box. Yes. Oh, it's a bit uneven. Oh, I'm a bit baffled with this one. It's a bit soft. Maybe some sort of material. Maybe it's a stuffed toy. Fluffy dice. There we go. Oh, I didn't break it. And here's the note. I love these notes. Nice and short. 6 more days to go. Add hot water to see the magic come to life. Oh. I hope this wasn't some biometric. Oh, it's a mug. It's black and mysterious. Oh, okay. Let me just pause it here and get some hot water. Okay, poured some water. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so just add water. Oh! It's the photo. Oh, that is brilliant. That is brilliant. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's hot. Hang on. Oh, that is great. That's great, guys. That's brilliant. Oh, that is so good. Oh, that is good. So every time I have a hot cup of something, remember our Halloween dress up, a look-alike competition. Brilliant. Super. Thanks, guys. That's brilliant.